Hello everyone, my name is Titilope Bello. Have you ever been locked out of your Azure Virtual Machine because you forgot the admin password? It happens. I have been there, but don't worry. There's a way to reset the password. In today's video, I will walk you through a simple step-by-step guide to reset your administrator password and get back into your VM in no time. So let's get started. The first thing we have to do is to log into the portal by browsing to portal.azure.com. Portal.azure.com. I have already signed in. And what I'm going to do is to locate my Azure subscription that is hosting the virtual machine I want to reset password for. The next thing I want to do while I'm within the subscription is to go to resources. Here in the resources, we are going to locate the virtual machine we want to reset password for. And the VM that is having password reset issue here is VM02 test. So I'll just click it to open the virtual machine bleed. So that we can confirm that truly we are forgetting the password for this virtual machine. I'm going to copy the IP address, open my remote desktop application, and try to remote, that's do RDP to the server. I'm changing the port because the server has been configured to use a custom port for RDP. So here we are prompted to enter the password. It failed. This is a proof that we have forgotten the password for this server. So I'm going to cancel out here. The next step we are going to take now to reset the password is to browse. We are going to browse to the on the left navigation pane. We will navigate to the help menu. Under the help menu, you have reset password. So click reset password. So now in the reset password, it is already giving me an account that is on that virtual machine. This is a local administrator account on the Windows server. There are times that you have multiple accounts on the server, and the one that belongs to you is what you are forgetting the password for. So in this case, you will need to type the corresponding username that you want to reset password for. But what happens if you could not even remember the username that you have used? What we can do also is to enter a username that we want to use. Just type any name as the username and then put password. So what that is doing is going to create, if the user account, the username here, if it does not exist already within the Windows virtual machine that we want to reset password for, it's going to create that account and it will set the password to whatever we have selected here. So in order to do that test also, let's just give a new admin account. admin 1, for instance. And then, okay, so we can use this. Let's use VM admin. Okay, VM admin, and then we give a password. The password must also match complexity and then the password policy. So, okay, okay, then we click update. Now, please note that the option that you need to select here is to reset the password. We are going to click update. So the username, if you recall, the username that we tried to use here before is test admin, and this other account does not exist on that virtual machine before. So we're going to use this new account to remotely connect to the virtual machine. Let's give it some more seconds to complete the reset process, the creation and then password reset process. Okay, so we can try to sign in now. Let's open our remote desktop application again, and I'm going to do connect. So we're going to change the username that I want to connect, which is VM admin, and we'll type the new password. So you can see now that we have been able to sign into the virtual machine with the new account and password that was created just now. So once the server is fully up, we'll go to the account management section of this virtual machine, and we will be able to see the two accounts or all accounts that exist on this machine. So to do that, you can go to Start, Windows Administrative Tools, and you can go to Computer Management. You can also go to the Server Manager, Tools, and you see Computer Management as well. Now, we've already launched it. So under Computer Management, select Local Users and Group, and you click Local Users and Group, then select Users. Notice that the old account is here, and this is the new one that we just created. So this shows that if you come here, any name you put here as username, if it does not originally exist on the virtual machine, it's going to be created as a local administrator on that virtual machine. This completes this particular demo, and that's it. That's all you have to do. You have now successfully reset the administrator password for your Azure Virtual Machine. We did not only reset the admin password, we also created a new administrator account. So, if this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks on Azure. And if you have any question or run into issue, please drop them in the comment below and we'll help you out. Thank you for watching. and we'll see you in our next video.